day. So welcome to our module 3 in today at this week's math grade 10 lessons. Okay, so module 3 is entitled determining arithmetic means and nth term of an arithmetic sequence. So are you prepared? So please prepare the following: your module 3, your notebook, your ball pen, and of course your self. Okay, let's proceed to lesson 1. So the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. Before we proceed to our actual discussion, let's have a short review of what we discussed in module 2. So let's explore. So let's answer 1, 2, 3. So number 1, find the seventh term of the arithmetic sequence 1, 4, 7, 10, and so on. Then number 2, what is the 10th term of the arithmetic sequence 7, 15, 23, 31, and 39. Then number 3, find the next two terms of the arithmetic sequence -2, -5, -8, and -11. So you can pause this video while you are answering. Okay, so let's answer. So what's your answer in number 1? What is the seventh term of the sequence? Okay, if your answer is 19, you are correct. Okay, how about number 2? What is the 10th term? The 10th term is, okay, the 10th term is 79. Very good. How about number 3? The two terms are -17 and -20. Okay, very good. So, how did you find the activity? Did you get it all correctly? What if you ask to determine the 100th term of an arithmetic sequence? Can you determine it easily? So, I believe your answer is no. So, lisod kayo no if the given sequence you're going to find the 100th term. It's really hard. To help you find it easier, the nth term of an arithmetic sequence is given by this formula. Okay, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d, where a sub n is the nth term, a sub 1 is the first term, n is the number of terms, d is the common difference will be used. Again, the formula is a sub n, again natin sa babaw, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 d. Again, you will use this formula in finding a specific term. Like katong kaganito example, no, find the 7th term, so you can use this formula. Find the 10th term and so on. Okay? So dili na ninyo i-list isa-isa, no, to find the specific term, but you can use this formula in finding the term. Okay? Okay, so let's apply now our formula. Example 1, find the 100th term of the arithmetic sequence -2, -5, -8, 11, and so on. So again, our formula is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 d. Our sequence is -2, -5, -8, and 11, and so on. Okay, so our let's identify the given, no? So our a sub 1 is, our first term is -2. Then our n, what is our n? Our n is, okay, very good, 100, because we need to find the 100th term. Our d is, to find the d, that is just a sub 2 minus a sub 1, or the second term minus the first term. So that is -5 minus -2. So our d is what? Okay, our D is negative 3. Okay, so let's now, but these are our given. Okay, let's now substitute it to our formula. So a sub 100, since our n is 100, a sub 1 is negative 2 plus our n is 100 minus 1 times negative 3. So negative 2 plus 99 times negative 3. So negative 2 plus, what is 99 times negative 3? That is negative 297. Okay, so our a sub 100 is equal to negative 2 plus negative 297. That is negative 299. So therefore, our 10th term is negative 299. Okay, so in your module, no, there are some reminders, no? Remember that addition of the integers, like signs, add and then copy the common sign. So again, kana no, same sign man sila, no? Copy the common sign and add. So that our 100 term is negative 299. Very good. Okay, let's proceed to our example 2. So example 2, find the 50th term of an arithmetic sequence 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. Okay? So again, what is our formula? Balik-balik ko na to, no? A sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 d. Okay? So our a sub 1, what is our first term? Our first term is 5. Okay, our n. Okay, our n is 50. Very good. Our d is second term. What is our second term? This is our second term. That is 10 minus first term, 5. So our d is 5. Okay, so let's now substitute it to our formula. So a sub 50 is equal to a sub 1 is 5 plus, what is n? That is 50 minus 1 times d is 5. So it is 5 plus 49 times 5. Okay, what is, again ha, mag-multiply, taon na hata mag-add. Okay, PEMDAS rule. 49 times 5. What is 49 times 5? That is 245. Okay. So, a sub 50 now is, what is 245 plus 5? That is 250. So, therefore, our 50th term of the sequence is 250. Okay, very good. So, let's proceed now to our example 3. So, which term of the arithmetic sequence is negative 57, given that our a sub 1 is negative 2 and a sub 2 is negative 7. Okay? So, unsa itong gipangita dani? So, which term of the arithmetic sequence is negative 57? Meaning, ikapila daw ang negative 57. Kung ato ni padayonon ba, negative 2, ana di ba na, negative 2, negative 7. Kung padayonon nato na, ikapila ang negative 57, meaning ikapila daw na siya. If this is our a sub 1, no? If this is our a sub 2, and this is our a sub n, no? Unsa daw ning n. Okay? So, we will just use the formula. Okay? So, a sub 1, magamit man nato ni, or a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 D. So let's write the given, no? Unsa man tong a sub n? So meaning unsa tong last term, unsa tong term nga pinaka last? That is negative 57. Muna tong a sub n naaman siya, meaning muni ang given. Bali na ni karon ha, muni kaganina mo itong ipangita, no? Karon atong the question is ikapila ning negative 57 plus, sorry, what is our a sub 1? Our a sub 1 is, okay, negative 2. Then, what is our n? Of course, muna atong question mark. Then, our d is second term. Our second term is negative 7 minus the first term. What is negative 7 minus negative 2? Our d is negative 5. Diba? May mo maning plus. Okay, may mo pwedeng plus, no? Different sign na dayon. Okay? So, this is our D. So, let's now substitute it to our formula. Our A sub n is negative 57 equals A sub 1 is a negative 2 plus n is unknown minus 1. D is negative 5. Okay? So, let's just simplify it, no? 57 equals negative 2 plus, so itong buhaton dani. Okay, let's distribute negative 5 to our n minus 1. So, negative 5 times n, that is negative 5n. Negative 5 times negative 1. Okay, so that is positive 5. Okay, negative 5 times negative 1 is positive 5. Okay, then negative 57 equals, let's combine like terms, no? Negative 2 and positive 5, that is 3. No? Different sign ba ya? Then negative 5n. Okay, then ato din ng e. Okay, transpose. So, positive ba na? Mahimo ng negative. Very good. Negative 57 minus 3 equals negative 5n. What is negative 57 minus 3? What is negative 57 minus 3? That is negative 60 equals negative 5n. Okay. Then, divide both sides by negative 5. Okay, negative 5. So, cancel out. So, therefore, our n is, what is our n? Our n is 12. So, therefore, negative 50, so therefore, negative 57 is the 12th term of the sequence. Okay. So again, can review, no? You can replay or pwede nyo balik-balik ko na ni ang video. Okay? So let's now proceed to our example 4. So find a sub 1 if a sub 5 is 66 and a sub 6 is 72. So let's now the formula, no, ato nagapan-gapiton kay magamit man ni a sub 1, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 d. So ato, of course na mga given na, no? So a sub n, so a sub 5 is 66 and a sub 6 is 72. Okay? So we will consider this as our last term para naatay a sub n, no? Para kabalutan nga natay basihan. This is our last term. So Therefore, if this is our last term, then let's substitute it to our formula. Since our a sub 6 is that is our last term, that is 72, no? Kay a sub n man ato last term ni siya silbi. Okay? Is equal to, find a sub 1 plus, what is our n? Okay, very good. Our n is 6. Okay, 6 minus 1. What is our d? So our d is just 72 minus 66, no? Ato na i-minus kay basta consecutive gani na sila, i-minus na nimong yang nag-una sa iya ha. Okay, ang 72 ug minus 66. So our d is 6. Okay. That is 6 times 6. So 72 equals a sub 1 plus this is 5 times 6. So 72 equals a sub 1 plus 30. Then transpose 30, so it will become 72 minus 30 equals a sub 1. So a sub 1 equals, what is our a sub 1? What is 72 minus 30? Okay, very good. It is 42. Okay. So therefore, our a sub 1 is 42. Okay, very good. Again, class ha, ngano ganini? Ganun ng minus 32 danino from positive 30 or nag minus 30 to 3, minus 30 man po to both sides, no? Addition property of equality. Okay, so that is for example 4. Next, now to our example 5. How many terms are there in the arithmetic sequence if a sub n is negative 42, a sub 1 is 9, and the common difference is negative 3? So we'll use the formula a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. So our a sub n is negative 42. Our a sub 1 is 9 plus how many terms? So n is terms, di ba? So n minus 1 times negative 3. Okay, negative 42 equals 9 plus, let's distribute, no? Negative 3 times n, that is negative 3n. Negative 3 times negative 1, that is positive 3. Okay. Negative 42. Combine the letters 9 plus 3 is 12. Plus negative 3n. Okay, dayon i-transpose nato nino kay mo man ang ka-like terms niya. So it is negative 42 minus 12 equals negative 3n. What is negative 42 minus 12? That is negative 54 equals negative 3n. Then divide both sides by negative 3. So therefore, n is 18. So therefore no, there are 18 terms, no? So meaning kaning negative 42 here is the 18th term. Okay? Okay, so for your activity, please answer I want more on page 10. So you can pause this video while you are answering. Okay, so let's proceed now to our lesson 2. The arithmetic means of an arithmetic sequence. Okay, find the missing term in each of the arithmetic sequence. Okay, I'll give you 5 or a few seconds to identify the missing terms. You can pause this video, no, while you are answering. Okay? For number 1, what is the missing terms? What are the missing terms? Okay, that is very good. No, this is 10, 5, 10, 15, 20. Number 2 is negative 9 and negative 13. Kung sa man, by, di ba, yung difference na ang difference ani is 5, no? By 5. Kani, pila tong gi-add? What is our D? Negative 5 minus negative 1. That is, may mo na siyang plus, no? May mong plus, may mong plus. That is negative 4, no? Negative 4, negative 5 plus negative 4, negative 9, and so on. How about number 3? Number 3 is 21. Very good. How about number 4? This is 35. The number 5, this is negative 2 and negative 3. No? So, very good if you got it correctly. So, how did you find the activity? I am pretty sure you did not find it difficult because you are already taught in the previous lessons how the terms in an arithmetic sequence is identified through its common difference. Am I right? Okay. So the missing terms above are what we called arithmetic means, no? Again, kato mga blanks ganina, those are arithmetic means. So arithmetic means refer to the terms between any two non-consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence. For example, 5, 10, 15, 20. The arithmetic means here are 10 and 15 if our terms are 5 and 20. Okay, any two non-consecutive terms. So dili man ni sunod ang 5 ug 20, di ba? So ang in between nila dana mo na ang mga arithmetic means. Pero kung ato i-consider ang 10 and 20, the arithmetic mean is 15. No? Again, ang tunga-tunga sa duha ka terms, no, sa dili non-consecutive, no, non-consecutive dili sunod, that term is called arithmetic means. Okay? In solving for the arithmetic means of an arithmetic sequence given only the first, no, the first and the last terms, the common difference is, okay, again take note sa atong formula where a sub n is the last term, a sub 1 is the first term, and n is the number of terms. Okay? So again, given ha, take note sa given kung arithmetic means gani atong pangitaon, kung ang given first ug ang last term, the formula is D equals a sub n minus a sub 1 all over n minus 1. Okay, so let's apply that. Insert an arithmetic mean between 5 and 11. Okay, insert an arithmetic meaning isa lang, no? If this is our 5, okay na isa dira og 11, unsa daw ni, no? Unsa na siya. Okay? So what is the formula gani? D is equal to a sub n minus a sub 1 over n minus 1. Of course, ito tong a sub n, unsa tong last term dire sa tong sequence, no? That is 11. Our a sub 1 is 5. Okay. Our n, how many terms are there? There are 1, 2, 3. So therefore, there are 3 terms. So D is equal to a sub n is 11 minus 5 over 3 minus 1. Okay, again, this is the formula to find the D in the arithmetic means. So what is 11 minus 5? 11 minus 5 is 6 over 2. What is 6 over 2 or 6 divide 2? That is 3. So our D is 3. Mo ba ni atong answer? Final answer? Okay, no. Dapat ato pa na siyang butang dito sa ato pa nang gamiton dito sa atong sequence. Since our D is 3, so this is an arithmetic sequence. So therefore, mag-add ta og 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So therefore, the arithmetic mean is 8. Okay? Next, insert two arithmetic means between negative 15 and negative 45. Okay, so negative 15, insert duha man, so belong tag duha, and negative 45. Okay, so this is our a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, og a sub 4. So what is the formula gani? D is equal to a sub n minus a sub 1 over n minus 1. So our a sub n is, our last term is negative 45. A sub n is negative 45. Then our a sub 1 is negative 15. Then our n is 4. Okay, there are 4 terms, no? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so D a sub n is negative 45 minus a sub 1 is negative 15 over n minus 1 is 4 minus 1. Okay, what is negative 45 minus negative 15? Diba, it will become, anong na kung kuan? Okay, sorry. Okay, diba, this will become plus, and this will become plus. So negative 45 plus positive 15, okay, that is negative 30 over 3. So therefore, negative 30 over 3 is, or negative 30 divided 3 is negative 10. So this is our D. So our D is negative 10. So therefore, we will add negative 15 plus negative 10. Okay, negative 25. Negative 25 plus negative 25 plus negative 10. That is negative 35 plus negative 10. That is negative 45. Now you can check if your answers are correct if pag-abot nimo diri sa last term, makuha nimo ang last term niya by adding the difference sa iyang kani. Okay? So let's proceed now to our example 3. If 4 arithmetic means are to be inserted between negative 7 and 33, what is the second arithmetic mean? So 4 arithmetic means man. So from negative 7 between, so 4 kabok, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that is 33. Okay, so our D is, what is the formula? A sub n, nalayo ra ka no? A sub n of minus a sub 1 over n minus 1. So the given, write the given, a sub n or the last term is 33. A sub 1 is negative 7. Our n is how many terms? This is a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, a sub 5, and a sub 6. So there are 6 terms. So 6. Okay, I will substitute it to our formula. D equals n is, a sub n is 33. Our a sub 1 is negative 7 over n minus 1 is 6 minus 1. 33 minus negative 7 is 40 over 6 minus 1 is 5. So our D is 40 over 5 or 40 divided 5 is 8. Okay, so our D is 8. Again, this is not our Final answer, dapat ato paning gamiton dito sa atong sequence. So, negative 7 plus 8. What is negative 7 plus 8? No, plus na to nag-8. Pila? That is positive 1. Plus 8, that is 9. Plus 8, that is 17. Plus 8, that is 25. Plus 8, that is 33. The question is, what is the second arithmetic mean? So therefore, the second arithmetic mean is 9. No? Okay? Okay, so that's for our example 3. Okay, so for your activity, please answer what I have learned on page 20. Okay? You can pause this video no while you are answering. Okay, we are done with our module 3. Okay, module 3. No? So see you in module 4. Okay? So that's all for our discussion sa atong module 3. Tomorrow, let's proceed now to our last module for the week, the module 4. Happy learning and bye!